What is Huawei Cloud? Exploring intelligent computing and specialized services for industry. Huawei Cloud in 2026 is no longer just a platform for storing files or running virtual machines. It represents a broader vision known as everything as a service, where computing power, artificial intelligence, databases, development tools, and industry-specific solutions are delivered as integrated cloud services. This shift reflects a larger transformation happening across the technology industry. Businesses are no longer looking for generic cloud infrastructure alone. They want intelligent systems that can solve specific operational challenges, automate complex processes, and create measurable value across entire industries. At the foundation of this strategy is Huawei Cloud's global digital infrastructure. While cloud providers once focused primarily on expanding the number of data centers, the priority today is different. The emphasis is now on local data sovereignty, regulatory compliance, and low-latency edge computing. Industrial organizations need data processing close to where operations occur, whether that is a mine, a factory, a logistics hub, or an energy facility. This evolution has also changed how cloud computing hardware is designed. The era of artificial intelligence requires more than traditional servers. Instead of relying solely on generic processing power, Huawei has invested heavily in specialized silicon architectures designed specifically for large-scale AI workloads. One key component is the Kunpeng processor family. Built for general-purpose computing, Kunpeng CPUs are designed to handle massive enterprise workloads while maximizing performance per watt. Energy efficiency has become increasingly important as organizations deploy larger cloud infrastructures and process greater volumes of data. By optimizing power consumption without sacrificing performance, Kunpeng processors help reduce operational costs while supporting demanding business applications. Alongside Kunpeng is Huawei's Ascend AI processor lineup. These chips are specifically engineered to address one of the biggest challenges in artificial intelligence, the hardware bottleneck associated with training and running increasingly large models. As AI systems move toward multi-trillion parameter architectures, traditional hardware struggles to keep pace. Ascend processors provide the parallel computing capabilities required to accelerate model training and inference, enabling organizations to build and deploy advanced AI systems at scale. However, hardware alone is not enough. Huawei combines its chip architecture with the CANN, or Compute Architecture for Neural Networks, heterogeneous computing software stack. This platform allows developers to work across different processing architectures without dealing with excessive complexity. The result is a tighter integration between hardware and software. Developers can optimize applications more efficiently, while enterprises benefit from higher performance and simplified deployment workflows. This synergy between custom silicon and intelligent software forms the foundation of Huawei Cloud's AI ecosystem. At the center of this ecosystem is the Pangu Model framework, which has evolved significantly with the arrival of Pangu 5.0. Unlike many large language models that focus primarily on general-purpose capabilities, Pangu was designed from the beginning with industrial specialization in mind. Its architecture enables a smooth transition from broad foundational knowledge to highly specialized industry expertise. This is achieved through a three-layer architecture. The first layer consists of foundational models trained on large-scale datasets. These provide general reasoning and knowledge capabilities. The second layer introduces industry models tailored for sectors such as manufacturing, mining, finance, energy, transportation, and meteorology. The third layer allows individual organizations to incorporate proprietary business data and operational knowledge. Companies can customize AI behavior using their own information while maintaining control over sensitive datasets. This layered design solves one of artificial intelligence's most persistent challenges, the last-mile problem. Many AI systems perform well in research environments, but struggle when deployed in real-world business operations. Pangu's architecture was created specifically to bridge this gap. Instead of requiring organizations to rebuild models from scratch, enterprises can adapt pre-trained foundations to operational environments much more efficiently. The benefits become especially clear when examining real-world deployments. One notable example is MineStack, Huawei Cloud's intelligent mining platform. Mining has traditionally been one of the world's most hazardous industries. Workers often operate in dangerous underground environments exposed to equipment risks, structural hazards, and difficult working conditions. MineStack addresses these challenges by combining AI-powered computer vision, industrial sensors, cloud analytics, and 5G-enabled remote operations. Autonomous systems can monitor equipment, identify safety risks, and support remote-controlled machinery. This reduces the need for personnel to enter high-risk areas while improving operational efficiency and safety outcomes. Another significant application can be found in meteorology through Pangu Weather. Weather prediction has historically required enormous computational resources and complex simulation models. Pangu Weather introduces AI-driven forecasting techniques capable of delivering highly localized and high-precision predictions. These forecasts are valuable for industries such as logistics, renewable energy, aviation, agriculture, and disaster preparedness. Organizations can make faster decisions based on more accurate weather insights, improving planning and reducing operational uncertainty. What makes these examples particularly important is that they represent a broader industry transition. Only a few years ago, many industrial AI projects existed as experimental pilots. Today, Huawei Cloud is increasingly transforming these capabilities into standardized, out-of-the-box services that organizations can deploy more rapidly. Rather than building custom solutions from the ground up, companies can adopt specialized cloud services designed specifically for their industry requirements. This reduces implementation time and lowers barriers to AI adoption. Supporting these large-scale deployments is GaussDB, Huawei's enterprise-grade distributed database platform. Industrial networks generate enormous amounts of data across geographically distributed environments. Maintaining consistency, reliability, and security across these decentralized systems is critical. GaussDB helps address these challenges through distributed architecture, high availability, and advanced data management capabilities. It serves as a core component for organizations requiring real-time access to operational information across multiple locations. Looking ahead, the next phase of cloud evolution may extend beyond intelligent applications toward fully autonomous operations. As AI models become more capable and industry-specific platforms mature, autonomous agents could eventually manage significant portions of a factory's or city's digital lifecycle. These systems may coordinate maintenance schedules, optimize energy usage, manage logistics flows, allocate computing resources, and continuously improve operational performance with minimal human intervention. In this vision, cloud computing becomes more than infrastructure. It becomes an intelligent operating system for entire industries. Ultimately, Huawei Cloud's strategy demonstrates how the future of digital infrastructure is being shaped by the convergence of three major forces. First, custom silicon such as Kunpeng and Ascend provides the computational foundation. Second, specialized artificial intelligence frameworks like Pangu transform raw computing power into industry expertise. Third, global cloud infrastructure delivers these capabilities at scale while supporting data sovereignty, security, and low-latency operations. Together, these elements are redefining what cloud computing means in the age of intelligent industry. The focus is no longer simply on storing data or renting servers. The new standard is an integrated ecosystem where specialized hardware, advanced AI, and global infrastructure work together to power the next generation of digital transformation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Huawei Cloud, artificial intelligence, and industrial innovation, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest technology breakdowns. Let us know in the comments. Will specialized AI clouds become the future of every industry?